Hello everyone. Today we are going to complete vocabulary and grammar section from chapter number 8, Across the Sahara on a Bicycle. Vocabulary. Compound words. कंपाउंड वर्ड्स आर मेड बाय जॉइनिंग टू और मोर वर्ड्स. ये आप सबको पता है कि कंपाउंड मतलब क्या होता है. दो वर्ड जॉइन करके जो बनाते हैं उसे कहते हैं कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. दे कैन बी फॉर्म बाय यूजिंग टू नाउन्स जैसे बास्केटबॉल, यूजिंग टू नॉन नाउन्स, ब्लो अप, यूजिंग अ नाउन or non-noun, they say sunrise. Okay, so it is important to note that the new words formed do not sometimes keep the meaning of the original words. जैसे यहाँ पे देखो एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं. देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ कंपाउंड वर्ड. क्लोज कंपाउंड वर्ड्स, क्राउड फंड, देन गेटवे. ओपन कंपाउंड वर्ड्स आर सिम कार्ड, चेक पोस्ट. देन हाइफेनेटेड कंपाउंड वर्ड्स आर इन डेप्थ, रनर अप. So exercise A, join the words to form compound words. Look up the compound words in the dictionary and write their meaning. तो यहाँ पर मैंने meaning नहीं लिखी है, meaning आपको खुद लिखना है. Then first, land mine. Second, civil rights. Third, role model. Fourth, close up. Fifth, quick tempered. Sixth, fundraiser. Then seventh, windmill. Eighth, get together. Then next page, phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a type of verb that is created when a main verb is combined with either an adverb or a preposition. then यहाँ पे examples दिए हैं. adverb take off, then preposition get at, और adverb plus preposition put up with. Exercise B, fill in the blanks with appropriate phrasal verbs. You may need to change the tense of the verbs. तो यहाँ पर कुछ phrasal verb दिए हैं, वो हमें यहाँ पर fill up करना है. First, my father arrived late as he was held up in a traffic jam. Second, she is very friendly girl. She gets on well with everyone. Third, I have set aside some money to buy a gift for my younger sister. Fourth, my mother will pick up my brother while returning from her office. Fifth, Sita was always traveling, but she made up for her absence by taking her children out for an adventure trip. Sixth, the burglars broke in when we were away on a holiday. Then seventh, the picnic was called off due to bad weather. 8. She always comes up with interesting ideas. Then grammar section, clauses. A clause is a group of words containing a subject and a main verb. A main clause makes complete sense by itself. It can stand as a sentence on its own. जैसे एग्जाम्पल दिया है, I fell in love with Africa. As I rode to Tarfaya on 2nd March, the wind turned into a storm. ये जो है the wind turned into a storm, ये क्या है? ये main clause है. Then second, a subordinate clause. A subordinate clause gives further meaning to the main clause. इसलिए इसे कहते हैं dependent clause because it cannot stand as a sentence on its own. जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल दिया है, as I rode to Tarfaya on 2nd March the wind turned into a storm. तो यहाँ पे ये जो है as I rode to Tarfaya on 2nd March, that is subordinate clause. Then यहाँ पर कुछ list दी है. Here is a list of common subordinating conjunctions. Exercise A, fill in the blanks with suitable subordinating conjunctions. Also underline the subordinate clause or dependent clause. तो यहाँ पर सारे sentences में मैंने जहाँ पर भी underline की है वो है subordinate clause और dependent clause. Then first, Anna does not want go out because she has a bad cold. Second, Anamika has lived in Delhi since she was a child. Third, as it was raining, they decided to stay home. Fourth, once you finish your work, you will go for the party. Fifth, Jenny is tall even though her brother is short. Sixth, whenever my grandparents come, we have a family get together. 7. Shreya was watching TV when her mother arrived. 8. My cousins and I kept talking until the wee hours of morning. Then next, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions मतलब होता है the coordinating conjunctions connect two words, phrases or clauses of a similar function and equal importance. जैसे एग्जाम्पल दिया है I like to eat bread and jam. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions जैसे for, am, nor, but, or, it and so. Exercise B. Fill in each blank with an appropriate coordinating conjunction. Exercise B. Fill in each blank with an appropriate coordinating conjunction. First, Sarla likes tea but she hates coffee. Second, Aryan ate all the cookies and Rohan ate all the sweets. Third, Ahana does not know the answer, nor does Richa or Meenu. Fourth, Rohit was tired but he washed the dishes. Fifth, I wanted to buy a computer, so I started saving money. Sixth, you should go to bed now or you will be tired tomorrow. 7th, he is rich but he is not happy. 8th, she must have been tired, so she fell asleep as soon as she lay down on her bed.